Hello mga kapitbahay, hello mga kakaruba. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just in case you haven't done yet, please subscribe, share, and click that bell button below so you will be notified for my next video. Let us spread love, joy, happiness, and good vibes. All this for God's glory. Thank you very much. Flower shops. Lots of flowers. Wow. You know, pogi oh. Meron pa pala rito. Ano, TV yan kuya?
Shout out.
Marami rin ka pala balloons dito.
May mga balloons, may mga...
Gift shop, gift wrap. Ganda nito oh. Flower shop nila, Kuya Alden. Oh, buhay pa to?
Ayun yung ano, nung pumunta ko pwedeng i-ano,
Sigang.
sigang. Yan, pinaglangoyan niyo, pwede na paksa.
Yun oh. Kuya Alden.
Shout out sa inyo mga kabiho. Follow nyo natin si Kuya JJ.
Picture nga tayo kuya.
Follow, share, like.
Bro, picture tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Ayun.
Ano bro, balik ako ano oras ba? Ano oras sa salan nyo?
Alas 6.
Alas 6? Sige.
6:30 mga ganun.
Sige bro. Nakalimutan ko kasi pambayad ko eh. Ayun, ganda oh. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. Yan oh. Paggawa na kayo ng bulaklak dito, may libreng yakap. So poging florist. Huwag lang kayo may in love ha.
Shout out sa 1 million viewers ko.
Picture na tayo, padalaw kay Aaron. 1, 2. So we go close sa kagay. 1, 2, 3. Lapit pa kuya, lapit pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
How are you?
Tapos, sandok ate. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Wow, sorry. You're not coming back?
We're coming back.
My brother, Kenyan brother.
How are you? This is video call or
Video, video.
Okay.
We have to welcome back. You will come back? Yeah, I think so. Okay, boss. Meron, wala naman kasi. Wow, chicken. This is what's this? Chop suey. Beef. Nice.
Dito ato sa loob.
Ito, kasama yung bag. Mo ito.
May ito yan ha? May ito po yan.
Sayang talaga.
Ano nga yun? Naalala ko yung 5 na kuhan? Bro? Rambutka, tequila, beer.
Give our short message and blessing to our celebrant.
Ano nga yun? Naalala ko yung 5 na kuhan? Bro? Rambutka, tequila, beer.